back.
Good. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I am late. What the joys of trading or not having to fucking go anywhere. Doesn't matter. I was watching on my phone, nothing happened. Do we have news today? I heard it was a big news week. I didn't check yet though. I guess I went to house anniversary. I'll say a 2 today. Mike's late again. Do I need? How long will we put up with this? Alright, listen here. I could have started at like 10:25, and then I was like, nah, I gotta take a dump. So, this is why Apex sucks. Cause it just takes so long. So like now I can't, like I couldn't trade this account yesterday. No, I can't trade this account today because I requested this last night. I also requested $1,200 from my MyFund Futures, but just like MyFund Futures, I don't know why it can't be like MyFund Future. It's fucking retarded. MyFund Future, you request, you get approved in fucking 10 seconds, and then it sends it to your Rise in like 2 minutes, and then I already transferred it to my bank account. They do that shit on purpose. You think? Why would anybody have a payout and then not trade though? Or like then trade if they have a payout, especially if they're that like. I would be more willing to because I don't really care about just one payout in particular. But most people, it doesn't really even matter. It's like just wait. Who cares? That's why it's good to have other prop firms too. Is Johnny here? Yeah, he just had to leave or whatever. He'll be back in a minute. Anything yet? No, nothing yet, AJ. I mean, I literally just got on, but no. Wow, ES looks a lot different than NQ. Yeah, no, nothing yet. Are we at all-time highs again? I don't even know. Oh, we are at all-time highs again. Awesome. Yes, I kill myself. Just day after day. Oh, we do have news at 10. Oh, we have Jolt's Jobs at 10. Ooh, red folder. And CB Consumer Confidence. I swear. I long 9:30 and my TP was hit in a minute. That's it. That's all you need, AJ. It's a day done for. Go back to bed. Mike, if we were gonna go up and up, I'm going to close my computer and call it a free wing Tuesday. Or call it a day. It's free wing Tuesday. Oh my god, dude, you must be 500 pounds, Raven. I swear. Between McDonald's and wings and good lord, I feel like something else too, but I couldn't think. AJ, you see this? Never been here before ever. All-time highs. What do? We go right exactly to the pivot point. Miss it by a tick and then reverse. It's goated. Have you seen me in my 400-pound life? Is that like the minor leagues to the my 600-pound life? You're not quite fat enough, but you're still fat. That's like AAA baseball. Yes, if I'm fat. Why, FF, is she fat? I don't know why I'm asking him, but day after day, I'm more confused. This is easy 450.
I swear, once you hit your cut weight and you lose your fat, it's kind of hard to like just gain it back.
Why?
Because I hit 160, I felt like I ate like shit. I had like pizza, I've been eating pasta, I've been having more bread, and I weighed myself and I'm 160.6. Like,
Yeah, but you literally hit it like 2 days ago.
it was like a week ago.
I don't think so.
And I bought, I think it was Thursday I hit it. No, I mean like, yeah, I guess. But it's just like, I expected to gain a little bit.
Did you know Raven's 450 pounds?
I wouldn't be surprised. The way she types, she just sounds fat.
ES just broke below the 15-minute low.
Connection.
Oh boy. What's up, making enemies?
It starts breaking out. Do you buy this long?
I need some more structure. I say it to AJ, like, it's crazy. We've never been here before ever, and we literally went directly up to the pivot point and then reversed. Like, almost to the tick. And since we're at all-time highs, we've never seen this area before. Raven's never coming back down. Look what you've done.
Raven catching strays. Just bounced up like 2 minute.
ES is all the way down with the 15-minute low. Video pulling back, but looking like it's about to bull flag.
It just tapped right off the 2 minute.
14.8 today.
What does that say? I'm 100% that's witch. That witch.
What?
Nice. You're 100% that witch.
What are you talking about?
Bug.
What?
Your coffee mug. It says I'm
Oh.
100% that witch.
You know it, baby.
Is it really gonna come down all the way to the EMA on the 5 minute? Just touched it.
How's your short looking, Raven? If you're still here and not too offended. We got Jolt's Jobs openings at 10 o'clock too, so be wary.
Got 12 minutes.
Can't trade 2 fucking Apex accounts today because bullshit
You
still
still didn't
getting
get
approved.
approved?
On the one from the weekend, I'm still getting approved on, and then the one I requested yesterday, I'm getting approved on. Meanwhile, my fund of futures is probably already in my bank account.
It definitely is.
I mean, I transferred it out of my Rise.
Yeah, that takes like 10 minutes.
I don't know. I didn't even look after. Let me see.
Actually, I've only done it through Coinbase. That's instant.
Yeah, I don't know if like. Let me look. Let me look. Excuse me. Yeah, I already got it yesterday.
DP. Good trade. Came all the way back down to market open.
Nice job, Raven. Yeah, ES fucking just hammered through. I feel like lately the NQ has been going up when the ES has been going down, so I wasn't sure, but maybe the ES dragged the NQ down today. I don't know.
What a pullback, honestly.
A full retrace of the range.
If we go lower today, that'll be better just because it has ranges that we can actually shoot for.
First low is obviously right where that pivot point is to at the 71s. After that, we got London lows down there at like the 40s somewhere, 40s, 43s.
71. We're already past that.
We just passed it.
Like where my pivot point says it's my actual like pivot point says it's at 510. What does yours say at that?
501. No, 504. Like my pivot point was at 650. The one that bounced off of was at 653 and price came up to 652.50.
Mine was at 658. I don't know, like the Ninja Trader one's just a little bit different.
Yeah, I don't know what the calculation is based on. Like, I wonder if it's from.
Like, what's your R1? Mine's 584.
572.
Yeah.
And then. Yeah, 504.
I just don't
Yeah,
know
we
the
do have
pick.
plenty of targets to the downside. We're below the VWAP now, too. Which is good. If I want to start looking for shorts.
Yeah, we just built like the actual kind of like trend of how it was moving.
Yeah. Where are we on the 15? We're below the 15 EMA as well. That was like right by the VWAP, so. It's great. Hit TP, gonna call it a day. Should have kept it, but I'm happy. I think 25 points. GG's. Good job.
How many contracts?
Can you pull up your trading view, Mike? Yeah. What's up? Or do you just want me to
Just
leave it
show
on
your
that?
trading view in general. 'Cause that's where you actually do all
Yeah.
your stuff.
True. 6 micros. Lol. I mean, that's still good. Like,
That's good. 12
that's
bucks.
yes. That's. I mean, you said you were oversizing before, right? So I mean, that seems like a more
Was that like
reasonable.
300 bucks?
Well, 20 points with one mini would be 400. Or what?
Yes.
Yeah, like 275 maybe, 300. Yeah. I forgot you just cut it in half.
Cause what's it? It's $3. We could bounce off this the bottom of the 50-minute opening range. Could use
I
that.
put 3 first and I scaled in once again once it went back and rejected that area of interest. I had 2 take profits, one for 600 and the other for 590s. Did you? Well, you had a fucking game plan. Scaling, 2 separate take profits. I'm not a fan. I like the idea of scaling in. I don't like the idea of scaling out. Like, I like my swing trades. Like, even with the Dow, last week I scaled in, or like I was in with like 2, and then it pulled back, and then when like we broke out of like a mini flag, I'm like this I scaled back in here for like another 2 or whatever, and then of course we gap up, and I miss it because I
I'm
closed.
not sure how I feel about like trading multiple contracts if you like.
Scaling out makes no sense to you. It's like I'd rather just take full
Yeah, I don't
TP
really
there, or I don't know. Like, I just want to be in or I want to be out for the most part, you know what I mean? It messes up the RR bigly. Bigly. It just seems like another thing to worry about, too. It skews the RR. It doesn't just makes that much sense to me in general, and it's just another thing you have to worry about during the trade. But I do understand, like, people do say, like, add to your winners. Like, some guy I watched, Nick Sean, would say that. Like, he would just, like, add to his winner, bring his first position to break even, and then put his stop loss. Say if your stop loss was, like, 20 points, then he would just have a stop loss, like, 20 points from the second entry or whatever. So he'd still only lose. Like, your stop loss would be in a little bit worse of a spot, because obviously you're adding when you're in profit. But you're still only losing what you originally planned to make. Or plan to lose, but then you can make more if we push back up here, trap above those highs, come back lower. I'm getting in like right here. Best loser wins. That should never really be his positions. Yeah, Tom Hugard. I read most of it. I don't know. I don't think it was as insightful as everybody says, but it's just like a lot of like repeat and then like a lot of like metaphors or whatever for it. But I just hate books in general because I think everybody just blabbers on about nothing. But it's all right. Like the idea is good. People like speak that book like it's the gospel though, and like Trading in the Zone. Those two, they're like, that changed my life. Come on, bounce up here before we go lower. Bounce up before we go lower.
Did it go out?
There we go. There's your bounce up. Oh, okay, that was a big bounce up. That was weird. Problem is, news is in 3 minutes here. I already know how this is gonna work. Every time a setup is about to come and news happens, I don't get in, and I'm not getting in, especially if it's red folder news. And then it just goes right to your take profit. It happens every time. Oh, please. This is gonna be so tragic. I already know how this is gonna go. I already know it. Oh, this is looking like a beautiful short. This is looking like a beautiful short. I genuinely hate the Distrata. What is that? The Distrata. Yeah. Let finish up the FEG. You ready? What are we? We're 13 seconds away. Get ready. Get ready for just. I swear to God, don't do it to me. I hate you, Jolts. I hate you, Jolts. Okay, that didn't seem like it did much. Is that what everybody else's candle looks like? Does that look like that? It looks fucking weird. Why everyone leave? It's just you and me. I don't know. It's okay though. It's all we need. Even though you're done trading, but. Or are you done or no? This looks like too obvious of a short.
Order submitted. Order. Order filled.
Maybe I got in a little too preemptively there. But we'll see. Come on, dump for me. Maybe break even at these lows. If we get there. I feel like we have room to go down, honestly. I don't know if I want to extend my TP. I mean, it's a little bit better than a 1-to-1. This is a 1 to 1.2. So I'll probably just leave it, but not quite there yet. Are you in this, Johnny? Is he not here? Wow.
Oh shit, I was talking that whole time. I muted myself because I don't know
Oh.
why. I was letting Willow out.
Did you take that?
No, the whole news thing, just I don't know. I don't know. I'm like, this is looking like a really good short, and even you were saying it, I was saying it. I kind of bitched out of it.
I want to go break even. We didn't take the low yet, but fuck. What's ES doing? Ugh.
Push through right here.
So I was like, this one looks too good. It's like sus how good it looked.
Like, it was just like how the
Perfect
news
low,
thing worked,
perfect
and then
distinction of where to get in. Right off the EMAs on like every time frame. I'm like, this one looks.
no, I didn't hate the short there. I just didn't get in. Come on.
Scale in. Would it be like? It would make sense. Like you break this low, just fucking add another. But no, I'm a bitch, Raven. I can't do that. That's for the pros. You called it though. I mean, we're pushing through right now. Let's see if we keep going. No, don't come all the way back up on me.
You change your break even?
What do you mean?
I thought you went break even.
No, I didn't. I was thinking about it, but we didn't take out the low yet, so I didn't want to. And then, no, I'm break even now. Bro, why did you enter cell? Be respectful to your dad? What are you talking about? Tupac? He's alive? Ugh. Don't do this. Don't fully
Doesn't
fucking
seem like it
engulf
really
this
was.
shit.
Oh.
You faggot.
Getting nuts.
We break the low and instantly pull all the way back.
Stop filled.
Oh, you loser. You straight up loser.
Hey, you made $30.
Score. Damn, how do we break that low and not get to at least the 43s?
Yeah. I don't. It was a weird looking one. Like,
Fuck.
sometimes I just don't get it. It's like you double bottom, which is fine. You get a little pullback. Yeah, like understandable. Then you come back down, straight engulf that part.
Just to engulf it again, and now we're gonna go lower
You break the
probably.
low. You break the low, and then it just fucking
I
shoots
know
up.
you fooled the
20
double
points?
bottom. You fooled the double bottom guys here. They're like, oh, okay, it is gonna double bottom. We get him, then they just get cooked. But nope. Made $30.
Hey, I made $30 across his like 20 accounts. That's like,
Score.
what is it, like $600?
Fuck me. I was up at me most 19 points, but I mean that's not even a 1-to-1. That's the thing.
I
That
know, but
1-to-1 was 22.50.
would have looked a lot better. I wanted to, like, that's the thing. It's like I like getting on the like kind of getting in. I don't know if it's somewhat early, but like I wanted to get on that like 80 break.
Yeah, I just don't trust it as much.
But the candles were just weird because news. So then it just like kind of like turned me off.
Oh, you know this is going lower too. I'm just not going to be able to get in on anything. You know it, but obviously you don't
Seemed like it
know
wanted
it.
to go.
But, what?
Didn't seem like it wanted to go.
This is what I'm saying. It looked too perfect that I was like, it just doesn't seem right. It looks too good.
Kind of flat now. You know how news works. You gotta come back to where the news happened.
We did, or I guess we did.
No, we're doing it
The
right now.
candle's so small. Hold to London low. I mean, I wanted to 12, but that was the target. Like, what makes you feel better? People who long also got faked out. Oh, what? Here you're saying? If they long here? Yeah, everybody lost. What the fuck is that? Doesn't make me feel better when other people lose. Except maybe Johnny, then that's funny, but.
Wow. Wow. Okay.
Maybe it'll give us another chance here. We just have to come back one more time. One more time.
Is this gonna break the 15-minute opener range and go to like 93? I think? Or
That is the 15-minute opening range.
93?
It's like 92s. We're right to like the 3-minute EMA right now, and we're right at the VWAP. Can I play Sudoku to try to fall asleep? What is your sleep schedule, Raven? I feel like you're always going back to bed after trading.
Sudoku's fun. I like playing Sudoku. You ever try to play like impossible Sudoku where or I used to play like killer Sudoku where it's like boxes and you gotta do like math kind of. And then I try to do like impossible Sudoku where it's like no numbers and you gotta figure it out.
Not that good.
Try killer Sudoku, it's fun.
Order filled.
I don't know how to trade this right now. I have a bad feeling we're gonna go push back up to the 15-minute opening range. Oh, you got in.
Yep.
Oh, you got in. Said anything?
Yeah, I'm in. Bottom tick that bitch.
We could break through.
Yeah, I was looking at like the 3-minute. Once we broke below, like the closures of those candles on the 3-minute, because we pulled back like right to that EMA. It's like, okay. we made the top wick on the 15 minute. I think we're gonna come down right now and fucking dump. I slept at 4 last night? Jesus. Like you went to bed at 4 in the morning or you slept at 4 p.m. and then you've just been up or something. Either way. That's the worst. When you fall asleep like early, you fall asleep at like 5 or 6 or something, and then like you sleep for like friggin' 6 hours and wake up at like midnight, and then you're like, well, now I'm gonna be up all night, and then you just start getting sleepy right around like market open. Been there. One more time. You end up getting in or no? Damn.
I took a stab at it at 65, so I got in. But I waited for that.
What were you waiting for?
I waited for the
Bottom
to
wick on
break
the 5.
that, like, or like that 10-11 candle or whatever. And then, like,
On the 1 minute or?
yeah, on
Oh,
10-09
I see.
and
Yeah,
10-11.
I see. Yeah.
Try to buy when it broke that. Took a stab at it. I just don't really know where I want to put my stops.
I have it at the extreme high right now, 25 points away. I'm thinking about coming down, but we'll see. I'm just not going to think about it. That's putting bad energy into the universe, like it's going to come up there. I really should be thinking about where to put my TP, dude. Where is your TP right now? I got mine with a 39s. There's like a wick there from like 1240 this morning.
Yep.
That's kind of where I'm at. It's just about my 1-to-1, a little over. 25 point stop, 29 point take profit.
I literally wouldn't even mind like getting the first one at like 43.
I had that one, but what is that for? Entry. Let's see. That one's like exactly a 1-to-1. I don't know. We'll play. There's so much to run that like there's so many lows. I'm probably just gonna, if we hit the first one, just dragging my stop and then just try and.
That's what this thing's
If we do,
pushing up.
yeah, if we do get down there, but. Let's see, 2 minutes. We just look like we're gonna go lower. We made the top wick on the 5 minute right there on the 5 minute candle. That's your top wick. Now we flip it and go. Come on. This is your top. There we go. Yep. See, top wick on the, and we're bouncing off that pivot point too. It's a good candle.
Pushing through. I'll break these 52s. Go.
Come on.
Don't like double bottom.
I must be nervous because I got no shirt on and I'm friggin' armpit sweating down my side right now. Good lord.
Thing doesn't want to
Does that happen to anybody or no?
Yeah.
Break these 50s. Come on. Get through these
Right now.
50s.
Come on.
Through these 50s.
Come on, right
Through
now.
these 50s.
Don't double touch it like that. Oh.
Gonna go. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. Come on. You still needs to fill that low. Nvidia's trending down. ES is still just kind of chopping sideways. Ay, ay, ay. Right back up to the EMA. Damn. That's such a good I don't understand. That like 1020 candle, that's such a good candle there. So it fucking breaks hard, breaks that like previous low we just had in. You just think it's gonna keep going.
Come on. Right now it has to. Completely flipped that whole entire thing. We're back in the green.
Ay, 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 ay. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Coming wiki on the top. Come on.
It's using our entry as resistance right now.
Literally, it's just tapping me.
Yeah, it's wiki as shit on the 3 minute. Those 3 candles close the fucking dojis, or 2 candles in the
Oh.
fucking doji right now.
Oh, break the 60s.
What's up, motherfuckers?
Oh, good.
Oh god. I didn't even hear you join. Middle of an intense trade. I got fucking Jackie Boy in here. Dump. Dump.
Oh.
Dump.
I swear to God, if this double, like triple bottoms, I'm gonna
No,
lose
no,
my
we're
shit.
going now. We're going now. We're falling through the floor. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Do it for Jackie Boy.
Yeah.
Do it for him. We break the low, I go break even, and then I get stopped. Like this is what I'm afraid of. I'll at least go here for now. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Just
How
keep
many
going.
times is it gonna break the lows and then just like retrace back? Doesn't make sense.
Peace out, Priv. See you later. One of these times it's just gotta fall through, right? Right? When we call BlackRock to sell their Bitcoin, please, something. Do something.
Go!
Stop filled.
Okay,
I'm
that's
out.
it.
Oh,
Yep.
what the fuck was that? What the?
Stop filled.
Oh, thank God.
I got out a little early, but whatever. I tried to drag my things and it just didn't work as well. But made like $500. This thing's gonna dump forever.
Hey, I'm fine with it.
I wanted to drag because there's so many lows that it could have taken, so I wanted to like walk it down, but it just didn't work out in my
I just
favor.
don't know.
Yeah, I'm fine with $500.
That trade was it was just a stressful one.
Let's go. Thank you, Raven. Alright, thank
There
you,
we go.
FS. Thank you, thank you. Oh boy. We are on a heater, fellas. I mean,
How close are you? I may be able to take one
from my Fun Futures?
today.
How close are we
It
to...
depends on my consistency. I think I have the possibility to take a payout, but I don't think my consistency is right. So I think I have to wait. Like, I think if I win tomorrow, I'll be able to take a payout.
Not the calendar. Fuck you, Raven. Alright. I'm getting close to passing my Take Profit Trader and Alpha accounts. If I have like a good day tomorrow.
The problem was FFs when I started doing good, my account was so
Yeah,
my
he was
accounts
like
were
deep
so
in the
low.
negative. He was at like fucking 48 or 49K.
I was like at like 48.5, so
Yeah.
and now I'm back up. So it's like I've made like $2, $3, or like $2,500 in my accounts.
just
but
still
Because
not
I was
yeah.
so down that it's just like barely anything, which
Yeah.
kind of sucks. But
But to pull him out of
whatever,
drawdown
it's
is nice.
yeah, it's just like I feel like I had to work like twice as hard because I dug myself a little hole in the beginning.
Yeah.
But we're coming back.
Like
Okay.
this sucks. I'm up $830 on the week, and like this account, I just haven't been able to trade yesterday or today, so that's minus $830 in that account because Apex is fucking gay and doesn't approve people right away.
It's literally more than your payout.
Yeah, I know. Sucks.
This new like thing that we're doing where it's just like we're not as strict, we kind of just like can get in, and as long as like we're kind of just like getting in with how we think, and then it's just risk management,
Yeah.
and it's working out so much better.
Let's see. Dude, I'm fucking getting out of drawdown mentally ain't easy. Just prove yourself so you can do it. Yeah. Yeah, drawdown. I think some people put more weight on it than others. I'm just like so logical where I'm just like, all right, I just think I need to trade well. Like, there's nothing you can do when you're in there. So it's like, all right, just trade well, or take the trade you would be. Like, I think people like start like taking different trades or like thinking differently when they're in it because like I want to get out of drawdown and this shit. Like, you just gotta treat it like you're trading and you were in profit or you just opened the account or anything. So the more you adjust based on like what your capital's at, the worse you're gonna do. Yeah, people feel the
It's a
need
good
to
thing
get
we
out.
got
of
out.
it, so yeah, that's true. I know.
Look what happened, Mike.
Like
No.
from my original target, literally, absolutely bottom ticked.
I mean,
This was my
That'd be
this was my optimistic 60 points down here for a full $1,200 day.
I had mine at 42.
And
or
then
like the 40.
see, and then I was like, all right, we got to stop them out at break even, and then it's gonna go back down. Yeah, that's what effed me up at the beginning. What, just being in drawdown and trying to treat it differently than if you were in it normally. What are the targets based off of? These ones? These are all just marked out lows from earlier that I just slapped a bunch of them on there. This is a pivot point that comes by itself. But like realistically, my target, because I'm like, I want over 25 points because my stop loss was 25 points, and this was the closest one because I want at least a 1-to-1, and then like this was the closest one. So that's what my target was.
Raven,
for.
I'm telling you, find one contract size that you're comfortable with and just always use that. Never like
Yeah.
change your size.
That's what I don't even understand about people like saying they over leverage. Me and Johnny have never had that issue. Like maybe our account, like we're just over leveraging our account in general because we're trading one contract on like 2.5K drawdown, or like $2,000 drawdown. But I mean,
It's just like
realistically,
I've
I've had
never.
my accounts for 70 days trading friggin' 400, like one contract risking $400 to $800 like per day.
I've never traded anything besides one mini. It's just like
Yeah,
one thing
it's
that
you
I'm
don't have to
thinking
think
about,
about. Yeah,
and then it's like it just
that is
gets rid
true.
of that mindset of like you're like,
Do I gotta
oh,
size
well this
properly
trade
for this
this
one? Yeah.
trade
Does it
looks
look
really
better?
good, so I'm
Yeah,
gonna size higher, and it's like
I agree.
what you think looks good does not matter.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, this one looks too good that I'm like, I'm actually like, it's like it looks like this one here, the first one I took. I'm like, this looks like an absolute A+ setup, which got me worried because then I'm like, I think it's gonna do worse.
I
Like
would
it looks
just be
too
so
good.
mad at myself if I like was like, oh, I just made 20 points and I made $400, nice, and then it's just like I like over leveraged the day before and traded two contracts and was like, oh, I lost 20 points and now
Right.
I'm
Right, like
I'm
I like to look at it just
still
by like a
down
point by
the
point
amount of
basis, pretty much. And now, where it's like, all right, how many
money.
points did I make this week? And it was all with the same contract. So it's like as long as I make more points than I lose at the end of every week, then I'm good. 68.50 to
I just see it in so many like people that you like. So many people you see, they're like, oh, I traded more contracts so I thought it looked good here, but it
yeah.
ended up losing, and it's like, and this trade worked, but I didn't think it was so good, so
I
I
think there's a time and
took
place
less
for it.
size, and it's just, I think you
Like
should
if
only
you're a
change your
really
contract
skilled,
size
if
based on
you're
your
a really
account size.
skilled trader, they talk about dynamic sizing. But for most people, I
Yeah,
think it's just not.
it's like if I'm fucking Pat, yeah, I'll change
Yeah,
whatever size I want. I don't
yeah.
care.
23.25 points.
The only thing
Rip
I,
Tekka's dude, gone but never forgotten.
I don't know what
dude,
happened to him.
he's
He
never
quit
in
his
anymore.
job and must be in the ringer. Like he hasn't joined since like you haven't been here.
What about Tyrone?
No, he quit.
He been like yeah, I think he quit trading honestly. You laugh. You laugh
He
at
was
his
on the
tweet.
outs anyways.
Now we're stuck with a 400-pound Moroccan Raven.
Yeah, fat chick. Yeah, ES is cool. FF's is cool.
I feel like
She just
FF
goes.
was here when I
"Wow."
was here.
I think yeah, ES has been here for a while. Trade.
Yeah.
Do you know Trademate used to be here when you were here? He hasn't been here for a
What
while.
about Trader Backtest?
He comes in every once in a while.
Yep.
I
Trademate
think
comments on all
FFS
my
was here when I
videos.
was here.
Yeah, FF
ES
was here.
wasn't.
ES
FF's
wasn't
been, yeah,
really-
he's just a rat. We got
yeah.
we got a rat and we
F-
got a 400-pound
yeah.
chick. That's
FF's
my views.
FF and Johnny have beef.
Me and FF's never connected like me and Tekka's.
Yeah, Tekka's, I don't know what happened. He quit his job at the bottle factory, and then I don't know what happened. He just.
Cyberbullying is real. Fucking, I would say grow a pair, but
Oh boy. Okay, I wish fucking.
This
April
thing's-
You know she's a
This thing's about to start
400-pound Moroccan woman.
Morocco. Well, she lives in Miami now, but she was born in Morocco. All right. What do we got here? What do we got? I'm literally close to max payout in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 accounts. Dude. Oh my god, I'm getting fucking rich, Jackie boy. I'm getting rich.
do you guys have people that you know like in real life that trade?
Most people don't.
I feel like yeah, I know. That's why I'm.
I mean,
Curious.
I have Johnny, but I mean, he doesn't make any money, so I don't know if that actually counts. As
Dude, we both won today. What are we talking about? We both bet on a heater lately.
Oh my god. I've still got 10K in the past week. Or 9K.
You've bet on a heater,
Yeah.
but
But if I have a green day again tomorrow,
but-
I'll have my accounts passed.
when I say like trading, I mean like you go in every day and you're just trading
Oh,
the
yeah.
market, not like buying crypto and holding it.
A couple, but they do crypto. Well, she could. Like crypto long term or crypto like futures or something. Like they could be still selling, like day trading crypto.
Yeah.
Which seems risky as can be, but.
I used to do that. I used to do 100 times
100 leverage.
leverage on. Dude, it was nuts. Literally just throwing money away, but
But with the potential to
make
make
so much.
something. They do both. I gotcha.
I used to put like $100 until like I lied about my address so I could get like a
Like big
KuCoin account,
max.
and I did futures leverage. I turned like $100 into like $2,500 once, and I lost it all because
That's literally the story of any person who trade and makes like big money. Like I made 100K on options and then I blew it all in 3 days. Like it's just, even if you do get the big break, like that's a 25x, but you're like only $2,500. Like so then
well, I
you
was
just
also
keep going.
freaking in high school. I was
Yeah.
just dumb and just, but it's just if I did it now, like if I did stuff that I now that I used to do, I'd be so much better at it. Just I'm like,
My friend day trades options. Yeah, options were the first thing I did when I was.
yeah, we did options first, and
Well,
then you
like
realize
even
options
even
suck.
before that, like I traded options when I was like 16 or 17 or something. I think for a little bit.
When I first started like day trading,
We were doing
I was
options.
just buying. I was just I put 10K into like a normal trading like an E-Trade account, and I wasn't even doing options. I was just like
Buying
buying
shares.
and then like hope every single day and hoping it went up like 0.5%
Yeah.
and
Is
just
the
making
reason
like a
like
couple
your
hundred
friend who
bucks.
trades options is the reason you got into futures? How does that work? Option traders don't make money. You don't think FFs? I feel like you see like crazy returns, but I
You can
don't
see some
know in
crazy
general.
returns on options.
I don't
I just
really
think so
know
much.
anybody. Isn't like there's this guy on
The odds are
YouTube.
so against you because Theta.
Theta's a
Like
bitch.
Theta literally makes it
Like
from a
why? Like
50-50 to like a
I don't
40-60,
know.
I
You
swear to God.
see Theta, and it's just like, why would you not trade futures as soon as you find out that like Theta like it's like as soon as I found out about futures, I was or not as soon, but I was looking at it and shit, and then I was like, all right, Johnny, I'm going over to futures because fucking options does not seem like the move.
I mean, when we started tr like trading, I I put $200 into a Robinhood account and I turned it into like 20K. And I didn't even know what I was doing. I was literally just fucking gambling.
Yeah, pure luck. Now when it comes to skill, he fucking I didn't make any money in the beginning because I didn't get lucky, but now when it comes to skill, I just have it more than Johnny. So
Yeah. Like I literally was just full leveraging my account every single day.
yeah, that's crazy. This guy? I don't know. Like obviously everyone's a fucking guru, but is this guy? He trades options. Oh, is he trading now? Right? Yeah. I didn't know he live streams. I mean, looks kind of guru-y. Day in the life of a multimillionaire in Egypt. Students going, what the fuck is this? Day of the life of a student, multimillionaire in Miami. I made $83,000 trading in one day, right? This guy trades options. I don't know if. I don't know
You
if
can
he has
definitely make
proof
a
of
shit
that.
ton of money in options.
With like 6K into 50K, jeez. Imagine taking something so difficult and somehow making it worse.
I
That
saw
is
some
true.
clip
That
of
is
a
true.
guy who like the day before Nvidia news, he did like a week's contract for like Nvidia and he put like 4 million into it and like Nvidia shot up and he made like 2 million one day. Made like 50%. Just like on market open and immediately sold. It's like he bought it market close the day before and then sold at market open the next day. So he was probably like actually in the market time when it was live for like 5 minutes. And
See,
he
is
just
that
made like
even
2 mil.
fun? Because if you have 2 million to throw into an option for a week expiration, do you care that you made 2 million? I mean, obviously you do, but like,
Like we say all the time though, it's like
it's all
if you
relative.
did
Yeah,
that
it's
with
all relative.
$400 and you made $200, you're like, not
Yeah,
really,
exactly. That's
not
what I'm
really care.
saying. Like, so is it
Two
great
million
for him?
dollars, you could actually buy something sick
That's the
with.
thing.
So it's like,
That's the thing. It's like you get to a certain point where like the returns, regardless of how small the percentage is comparison to like what you have, you can still do stuff with the money. But it's like,
yeah.
oh, I doubled $10. Now I can buy 2 Big Macs, but they like double fucking or they like 2% $1 million. I'm like,
They're
okay,
like, oh, I could go buy a fucking
yeah,
Beverly Hills mansion.
yeah.
Like, well, it's a good thing we got out. We literally got out on the perfect.
Yeah. I know. I literally would have absolutely bottom ticked it if I just left my take profit there, but I was trying to like drive
Big
down.
Mac? You don't know what a Big Mac is? McDonald's Big Mac?
Of course she knows what a Big Mac is. What do you mean? She's the one who goes to
I
McDonald's
know.
every day. Remember, she's 400 pounds.
Yeah, she's built like a Big Mac.
Yeah. Nice.
Foul.
I gotta see what accounts I can get payouts in. Can I get a payout in these My Funded Future accounts? No, I think I can. Can someone do the math for me? What's $900 times 0.4 or divided by 0.4? This is the biggest bulk of the century. Oh,
$900 divided by 0.4,
yeah.
3 grand.
It's 3 grand? No.
$22.50.
This fucking guy. I had to do it myself. 2250. All right, I'm taking a payout in these two today. These two My Fun Futures.
Are you working Sunday, Jack?
He just said, "Go fuck yourself," pretty much.
Is he not here? Okay, cool.
Jack.
Yeah.
Were you working Sunday?
Sunday?
Yeah. Or are you still at the COVID Cup thing?
Oh, you're this past Sunday?
Yeah, for the golf league.
No. Today was my first day in.
Were you at
Or
the
this
COVID
morning.
Cup thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's see.
Did you end up winning again?
Dude, I lost by one, bro.
Really?
Actually, me and Mark tied. Me and Mark tied, and they did the tiebreaker as more pars than birdies, and I counted. I have more pars than birdies, but they did it more pars than birdies for the last round, not the whole weekend.
That sucks.
Probably just
Sounds
so I
like
don't win a second
sounds like
time
the
because
commish changed the rules to
yeah,
help himself out.
yeah. Uh, if I won a second time, um, they were gonna like change the format and make everyone have handicaps. I don't think they wanted to do that, so they changed it to they made it so he had um,
Wait,
whoever
so you
won had
don't
more
even
pars and
base it off?
birdies for
You
the
don't do handicaps at all?
no.
How the fuck how are you supposed to win if you suck?
Get
You
good.
just hope one of the better people get hammered. Well, I was up by 6, and I was like, "Oh, dude, let's go! Like, I got this." And then all of a sudden, I started getting absolutely obliterated. I couldn't hit the ball, and then next thing you know, it's tie. It's freaking. I'm losing by. I'm losing by. Or I'm winning by 1, and I bogey the last hole, and we tied.
Oh
And I
my
was
god,
like,
he's choked.
"Fuck."
What'd you end up shooting?
I shot a.
When you say Apex is your favorite, wondering what's the
I
move
shot
after
an
5 top
82 on
steps.
day 1 and an 87 on day
Ooh,
2.
that's not as good.
All right, I muted them. Apex. Oh.
It's gonna be going to the Butterbrook one.
When's that one?
I think they were saying August 24th, the plan. It's like technically the last one of
August
the
24th.
August 24th, I think.
It could be if I don't get forced.
That's like we're doing like the major where it's just like your strokes, your handicap, and it's at Butterbrook.
Oh, okay. Mark got uh 12 pars and 1 birdie altogether, and I got 13 pars and 2 birdies.
So Mark's like, would you say Mark's like the same handicap as you, like 8, 10?
Yeah, he shot an 85 on day 1 and an 84 on day 2.
It's pretty good. How'd Steven do?
Steven actually did pretty good. He came in 5th. Mark got more pars than me. Got 3 more pars than me, but I got a birdie.